Behind these doors is an AI video editor that can generate characters, environments, sound effects, voiceovers, and motion graphics with one prompt and then automatically animate the entire scene just like this.
Some of my most favorite memories are when I used to watch my mother dance in the ballroom after all the guests left. Even though it was just the two of us, she would dance like the whole world was watching.
So there I was, questioning my own existence. Once again, I was teetering on the brink of reality, unable to separate truth from fiction. My life is a movie, scripted in a parallel universe, some sort of dark, twisted fantasy, a roller coaster of emotions that only stops when the credits roll.
Here's how to make everything that you just watched, which was created entirely in Filmora: the green screens, the voiceovers, the characters, the animations. Click on stock media, type in green screen door open, choose these double doors that open to a green screen, and bring it onto the timeline. With the clip selected, click the AI Tools tab and switch on Chroma key. That's how you remove that green screen. Under the stock media tab, type in green screen movie theater. Choose this video and bring it below the doors opening clip on the timeline. With the clip selected, click the AI Tools tab and switch on Chroma key. Now that green screen is removed. Now let's create our custom dancing character. Click on the AI Image tab, enter this prompt: a Spanish woman in a red flower dress in a dancing motion, all green background. Choose illustration for the style and hit generate. Then download your favorite one. Now under the AI Media tab, click Image to Video and choose Custom. Upload the image of the dancing woman. Enter this prompt: a Spanish woman in a red flower dress doing a beautiful salsa dance with spins and twirls. Choose Advanced Mode. Bring that animation down to the timeline underneath the movie theater clip and resize to fit on the big screen. Now that our custom character is animated, let's create a background for her to dance on. Click AI Image again and enter this prompt: an empty dance floor in a Spanish ballroom. Download your favorite and bring it below our dancer on the timeline. Now we have an amazing 3D animated intro scene with a custom character and custom background, all by using the Chroma key features to remove those green screens. Let's add our voiceover and background music. Under the audio tab, choose text to speech and enter this prompt. Under language, choose Spanish, then choose Christina as our speaker and hit generate. Since we're using an English prompt with a Spanish speaker, we're going to get an amazing Spanish accent for our voiceover that goes perfect with our intro animation.
Some of my most favorite memories are when I used to watch my mother dance in the ballroom after all the guests left.
Let's make our intro seem more 3D. Click on the stickers tab and type in petals. Add this element to the timeline above the movie theater clip to give our scene a little more depth. Now click audio, then AI music, and choose tags like sad, epic, mysterious, heavy, and ponderous. We'll use this as our background music to build suspense.
Some of my most favorite memories are when I used to watch my mother dance in the ballroom after all the guests left.
Pretty good, right? Now let's build our second scene. Under the Stock Media tab, click Library and search for Green Screen Door Open. Choose this clip with the man walking towards the open door with green screen and bring it onto the timeline. With the clip selected, switch on Auto Enhance, then click AI Tools and switch on Chroma key to remove the green screen. Add some keyframes to zoom in on the man as he approaches the door to make this scene a little more dynamic. Now click on the Stickers tab and type in Particles. Choose these green particles and bring this clip under the man walking towards the door on the timeline. Since we removed the green screen, the particles appear as if they're beyond the open door, giving this scene more depth. Click the Effects tab and type in Glitch Distortion. Add this effect above the man walking towards the door and turn the opacity down to 35%. Under the Stock Media tab, choose Library and search for Film Countdown. Add this clip below the green particles on the timeline. Now let's add our dramatic voiceover for this scene. Go to Audio and choose Text to Speech and enter this prompt. Choose Jano as the speaker and hit Generate. Bring that voiceover under our animation and there you go.
My life is a movie, scripted in a parallel universe, some sort of dark, twisted fantasy. A roller coaster of emotions that only stops when the credits roll.
So click the link in the description, download Filmora, and see for yourself how easy it is to create these amazing animations. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.